Which here we have pictures too. Oh, this is too difficult. So you should catch the right noun. There are two of them, yes. But which two?
Surprised by all this stony industry, and you, the latest is that they are next holiday, and yesterday we see
9, I'm good. 8. Less than 5 or less. Wow, you are loud. You're 6. 5. 4. Do it slowly. Slowly. If you don't know, slowly. That's what you haven't done. Which means you don't know it well. Now we'll have revision. Now listen. Will be because what would be